Hi, welcome to our channel of IGNOU Audiobooks, Indira Gandhi National Open University, School of Health Sciences, SOHS. Post-Basic Bachelor of Science in Nursing B.Sc.N. PB, revised. Third year, BNSL 209 Community Health Nursing. Block 1 Nursing Practices in Community Health 1. Unit-2 Preparing a Map of the Community, 2.0 BJCIS. After going through this practical, the student will be able to identify community leaders who could give information of the area. Locate the sources of maps such as Panchayat Office, Corporations, Block Development Office etc. Make the round of whole area such as community walk or moving through the community in a vehicle. Note down the important landmarks and specific observations to prepare the map. Prepare the map with the help of community leaders. Make use of the map to render services in the community. Identify the distance from one area to the other, from the scale given in the map. Enlarge the map if required for clarity and additional information. 2.1 INODUCION. A community health nurse is expected to provide services to individuals, families and the community at large. For this purpose, she performs few activities in the health center, and for others she needs to visit families and other facilities in the community. This requires a lot of traveling from one place to the other in the assigned community. Many places may be situated far away from the center. Hence, it is very important for a community health nurse to know the area, its people, major landmarks and resources. Hence, it is necessary to prepare a community map. A community map is a diagrammatic representation of a specific geographical area which acts as a guide tool for a community health nurse. Maps provide a comprehensive view of the whole area of community, its landmarks and various institutions, facilities and salient features of the community. This map can be used to locate different areas of community and reaching various areas in the community. In this practical we will be discuss the preparation of the community map. 2.2 PPINGP of HCOUNI. In this section we shall focus on uses, indications, articles and procedure of preparing map. 2.2.1 Uses of preparing AP. The uses of map are: prevents the wastage of time spent in identifying the places and resources in the community, helps in the judicious allotment of time and prior planning of work. Schedules, helps to know about resources and facilities in the community. Seek assistance from local leaders and liaison with them without difficulty. Give an idea about the location, direction and distance to be traveled to reach the facilities and people. 2.2.2 Indications for preparing a AP of the community. The map can be prepared when important updated information about the community is not available. The boundaries of the sub-community, housing, wells, roads, facilities, etc. is not specified. Location of resources and organizations in the community, e.g., health centers, schools, shops, panchayat office, etc. are not indicated. Provide guidance and direction to familiarize the health workers with the area in order to plan health activities. 2.2.3 Points to a member. While preparing the community map, following points should be kept in mind. Draw map according to the scale, i.e., if the scale given is 1 cm equals 1 km, then the place which is 1 OKILOMILLISECOND away from the center should be marked at 1 OCENTIMILLISECOND. Give appropriate signs or symbols to indicate the place and give the key. On the lower corner of map, the examples of few symbols are given in Fig. 2.1. Mark the directions in the map using standard abbreviations so that a person referring to the map understands which side of a map faces north, south, east, west. Fig. 2.1. Keep on updating the map by making necessary modifications corresponding to the changes occurring in the community. Place the map of the community on the board in the health center for ready reference and guidance. Keep a mini version or photograph of map in the bag for ready reference. While moving in the community, look at the screen. Fig. 2.1. Symbols of different facilities and directions in the map. 2.2.4 RTICLES acquired for preparing a AP. Following articles are required for preparing a map. A map of the block or the village which may be available with the block development office, corporation office or village panchayat office etc. A notebook and pen, pencil to take notes while moving in the community, of taking community walk. Chart paper, graph paper. Stationery items such as pen, pencil, eraser, scale, tape measure etc. Compass, measuring equipment etc. 2.2.5 Procedure of preparing map. Preparation of the map is one of the preliminary steps in planning community health activities, so you need to follow various steps as given below. Identify community leaders, Pradhan of the area, Sarpanch of village. Religious leaders, health leaders. Discuss about major landmarks and facilities, health center, school. Religious places, community centers etc. in the community. Take a round in community along with community leaders through community walk or drive through depending upon the area of community. Locate the distinct places or institutions of the community like schools, temples, health facilities, housing complexes etc. While community walk, drive through, carry a notebook and take note about different landmarks, facilities, type of housing, condition of roads and other observations. Clarify your doubts by having discussion with community leaders. Note down the time of commencement of journey and reaching time and prepare a road map during the survey. Prepare the rough map after the survey and get it verified from community leaders. Time scale can be used to plot the graph, i.e., if the time taken to reach the nearest school from the health center takes 15 minutes, x equals 15 minutes. And to reach the nearest temple takes 30 minutes, the distance should be approximately 2x. If we could measure x, then we can easily calculate 2x, 3x or nx. But for this, standardization of means of conveyance and speed should be kept in mind. Use compass to find out the direction and mark directions on the map. Join the road maps to get a complete diagram of the community. Highlight the places of significance to the health worker such as schools, hospitals, marketplaces, community hall, meeting places such as chopals, etc. by using appropriate standardized symbols. Prepare a key of the symbols on the right side bottom of the map. 2.3 NLGINGHP. Sometimes the health worker may be able to procure a small map of the area or the block from the block development office and visualization of the community and its resources. He can enlarge the map using following steps as shown in Fig 2.2 and Fig 2.3. Look at the screen. Steps are as follows. First, draw the lines in light pencil to form equal squares over the map area which you want to enlarge. Then draw same number of squares but larger ones on another sheet of paper. Copy the map square by square. You will have an enlarged map. In this figure you have a square of 1 cm drawn over the map. Then on the other sheet of paper, large square, exactly double, are drawn and accordingly filled in. This gives us a map exactly the double in size from the previous map. The scale of this enlarged map is 1 cm equals 2 kilomillissecond. This map can be used to mark more information which may be available with the other health team members of the community. As and when there is new information about the community such as new set of houses, institutions, or other resources, these may be marked on the map to keep it updated. This enables the community health nurse to periodically evaluate the improvements in the health status of community. 2.4 BSCN of HP map can be placed on the bulletin board in the health center for ready reference by the workers. The small version of these maps, by making Xerox copies of the map or the clicked photo of the map in the phone, can be carried by the workers with them in their bags for their daily fieldwork. 2.5 Key. Try to locate a map of the area which you have adopted for community health nursing activities from block development office or other sources. If the map is not available, go around the KIA, make observations, have discussions with local leaders, influential persons in the area and prepare a map of the area. Mark the important landmarks or resources by designating appropriate symbols to the institutions, resources. Explain the key of the symbols on the lower margin of the map. 2.6 Let us sum UP. In this practical you have learned that community map is an important tool for community health worker. It helps to guide a new worker to go for the field work with confidence and locate the families and broad community resources. If the map is not available, you should prepare a new map with the help of community leaders. Thank you.